Welcome to GK at Amosri.
Bihu is the folk dance of which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Assam, C. Kerala, D. Bihar. B. Assam. And also the capital of Assam is Dispur. Which is the fastest train in India? A. Vande Bharat Express, B. Shatabdi Express, C. Tufan Express, D. Gatiman Express. A. Vande Bharat Express. And the average speed is 160 km per hour. Maximum speed is 180 km per hour. Which language is mostly spoken in India? A. Tamil, B. English, C. Hindi, D. Marathi. C. Hindi. More than 52 crore people speak Hindi in India. Which is the largest bank of India? A. HDFC Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. State Bank of India, D. Axis Bank. C. State Bank of India. And also SBI have total 22,542 branches and 63,580 ATMs. What was the old name of State Bank of India? A. Imperial Bank of India, B. Bank of Calcutta, C. Bank of Hindustan, D. United Bank of India. A. Imperial Bank of India. Then IBI was renamed as the State Bank of India on 30th April in 1955. Who was the first citizen of India? A. President, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, D. Chief Minister. A. President. And also Vice President is the second citizen of India and Prime Minister is the third citizen of India. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? A. Nanda Devi, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Mount Everest, D. Himalayas. B. Kanchenjunga. As well as it is 28,169 feet tall above the sea level and also third highest mountain peak in the world. Located in the eastern Himalayas on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. B. Kerala. It includes the wide variety of spices like black pepper, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger and turmeric. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? A. Bhopal, B. Chennai, C. Kolkata, D. Jaipur. D. Jaipur. And also it is the capital of largest city of Rajasthan and Jaipur is the Paris of India. Which is the national heritage animal of India? A. Tiger, B. Elephant, C. Giraffe, D. Horse. B. Elephant. Then the Government of India declared the elephant as the national heritage animal of India in 22nd October 2010. Bakranangal project is constructed across which river? A. Ganga, B. Satluj, C. Kaveri, D. Brahmaputra. B. Satluj. And it is located in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab border near Nangal city. Which is the smallest state of India by area? A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Assam, D. Sikkim. A. Goa. And also it covers 3,702 square kilometer in area. Goa is also known as Paradise in a Pocket because of its small size and its beautiful scenery. Which is the smallest state of India by population? A. Goa, B. Manipur, C. Sikkim, D. Nagaland. C. Sikkim. Then, according to 2024, the current population of Sikkim is around 6,10,577 people. Which is the biggest city of India by population? A. Chennai, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Delhi. D. Delhi. And more than 33.8 million people live in this city. Which is the biggest district of India by the term of area? A. Kutch, B. Kurnool, C. Bikaner, D. Howrah. A. Kutch. As well as it is a district of Gujarat. It covers 45,674 square kilometer. Kutch is the bigger than Switzerland in the term of area. Which is the smallest district of India by area? A. Nagpur, B. Mahe, C. Karaikal, D. Yanam. B. Mahe. Additionally, it is a district in Union Territory of Puducherry. The total population of Mahe is just about 42,000. What was the old name of Mumbai? A. Bombay, B. Madras, C. Kasi, D. Baroda. A. Bombay, and it was renamed in 1995. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra and also the financial capital of India. When did India win the first Cricket World Cup? A. 1980, B. 1987, C. 1990, D. 1983. D. 1983. Moreover, India lifted their first ever Cricket World Cup title, defeating West Indies in final at Lord's Cricket Ground. During that time, Kapil Dev was the captain of Indian cricket team. Which is the longest national highway of India? A. NH26, B. NH52, C. NH44, D. NH48. C. NH44, and it's spanning 3,745 km from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and also it was previously known as NH7. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? A. Lord Ripon, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Franklin, D. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Dalhousie. Additionally, because he convinced the British to introduce the railways in India, he served as the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. The answer for last video was Aryabhatta. The video is available on iCard. Who won Oscar Award for 36 times? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box.
Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.